My name is Dusan Zupka. I'm representing United Nations Office for the Coordination of Humanitarian Affairs in Geneva. I was chairing the session on preparedness. It pays to be ready. We had very good participation, full room of people, and that's a very good sign. The people understand that we cannot change this increasing number of victims and damage from disasters unless we start to pay more attention to pre-disaster planning. It means to prevention, mitigation, preparedness. That was also the purpose of the session, to raise awareness, to show some good lessons learned and practices on preparedness from different countries. We had speakers from different continents. We had a speaker from Bangladesh who was talking how preparedness saved thousands, maybe hundreds of thousands lives during the last big cyclone Sidr, which hit Bangladesh in November 2007. We had a speaker from Macedonia who shared experience on how country started to pay attention to preparedness after devastating earthquake which destroyed Macedonia some 40 years ago. And since then, this is on high agenda of the country. And we had also a speaker from NGO, from World Vision International, based in Honduras, who was talking from the point of view of civil society, how they support preparedness activities and at community level. And based on these very good experiences, lessons learned from different countries, different continents, we made some key conclusions of this session. The key conclusions are that preparedness is saving lives, livelihoods, and protects sustainable social and economic development. And it is cost effective. And all the stakeholders know from the experience that it's cost effective, that every dollar invested in preparedness can save $5 to $10 in response activities. What we are lacking to get more support for it is to have better examples and case studies on cost-benefit ratio of preparedness and prevention. So this is the challenge, to make donors to be more generous and to fund not only disasters when there is CNN effect, the response, but also the preparation for the response and preparedness for the response. This is the first message. Second message is that all participants stressed importance of coordination of the preparedness activities. This coordination should take place among all stakeholders, governments, United Nations system, NGOs, Red Cross and Red Crescent movement, civil society at large. And appropriate partnerships and alliances should be built, because this is multidisciplinary and multi-sector problem. So no one player can change things and attitudes. It has to be collaborative approach by all these key stakeholders in preparedness. And the last key message is that lessons learned from evaluations of big disasters should be systematically recorded, disseminated, and used for the strengthening of South-to-South cooperation. Agencies, people, government, NGOs in developing countries, they are most hit by disaster. They have a lot of experience and they can share it with other countries with the same problems. And during our session, we had very concrete example, because Venezuela invited a speaker from Honduras to come to the seminar in Honduras and to talk about preparedness at community level and share experience from Honduras in Venezuela. Thank you very much.